Looking for a toilet paper holder that's both sturdy and stylish? The universal toilet paper holder with 1/2 NPT pipes offers exactly that. Unlike many cheap alternatives, this holder features quality fittings and a glossy black finish that won't rust or wear down over time. If you want a reliable upgrade that blends seamlessly with your bathroom decor, this is worth a look. What sets this holder apart is its thoughtful design and durable materials. It uses 1/2 NPT fittings, which are stronger and more reliable than the smaller 3/8 fittings you often see in similar products. The flanges measure 3.4 inches, mounting completely flat against the wall for better support and stability. This larger surface area means your holder stays firmly in place, even with frequent use. Plus, the entire assembly is powder-coated with an e-coated black finish, so it resists corrosion and doesn't require any extra cleaning or degreasing. When you order, you get everything needed for a quick and hassle-free installation: a 3/4 flange, a 6 straight pipe, an elbow, a 2/25 straight pipe, 4 black wood screws, and 4 drywall anchors. This makes it perfect for DIY projects, whether you're refreshing your bathroom or adding a modern industrial touch. One customer mentioned how easy it is to reload toilet paper on this holder, highlighting the convenience alongside its solid build. If you're tired of flimsy holders that don't last or look cheap, this universal toilet paper holder offers a practical solution. It's built to handle daily use, looks great, and installs in minutes with the included hardware. If that's you, someone who values durability and style without extra fuss, this holder fits the bill perfectly. Ready to upgrade your bathroom with a product that combines quality and ease? Try the universal toilet paper holder when you're ready. It's a simple change that makes a noticeable difference in both function and appearance.